Hi, my name is Destiny Alfonso, and I'm the girl behind Just Destiny Mag, a lifestyle blog here in Phoenix. If you're in the market for new carpet, then you're going to love the Aura pattern carpet from Lifeproof. These beautiful floors add visual interest to any room of your home. Soft to the touch, soft on your feet, it's like walking on a cloud. Aura pattern carpet is made from 100% continuous filament nylon construction and provides a great resistance to wear, fading, and shedding. It also has an R2X stain and soil resistance system. Each carpet installation comes with a Lifeproof warranty, which includes a life pet stain warranty, limited life stain and soil warranty, and a 25-year wear and tear warranty, so you can live worry-free. Aura pattern carpet is sold by the square foot soft back backing for easy installation. A 7/16" carpet pad is recommended for use with this carpet. For a high-performing carpet, gorgeous color, pattern, texture, and plushness, check out Lifeproof Aura pattern carpet, available at the Home Depot.